David, Living Waters, what are you doing today? Any guesses what I'm doing? So I got my trusty pet here with me, Mr. Dominic. Yeah. Hey, a little short video on what to have in your sport kit. So most people be apt to stop off, you can go out to your sporting event, wherever that may be, hiking, skiing, whatever, and grab a Gatorade or some other toxic sports drink. And so today, quickly, I always have some of these lying around. I juice a lot, but sometimes you need something quick, fast, and easy. And even your kids will drink this. This is called Suja greens, right? And the other cool thing, when you start them out on this, if they don't like it right away because there's a lot of greens in it, add a little apple juice. Organic, always organic. This is organic, and it's got all kinds of greens in it. And anyway, this has been an amazing week. This is like manna from heaven. I don't know where I've ever seen Bogus Basin get such dry powder and have it consistently for a week. Absolutely shocking. But what's more shocking to me is how many people are, like this guy yesterday says, well, I just take vitamin I. I said, what's vitamin I? Ibuprofen. I took a Red Bull. Man, no. If you want to keep healthy, you should be on vitamins, a really good quality product of supplements, always, because you'll prevent that. So you don't have to have vitamin I. I take things like curcumin. I take Overdrive. I take a lot of vitamin B, a whole multi-pack. I take a whole handful of stuff every day. And I still have my knees, and I'm still shaking it in the powder, and I must say I'm still pretty good. Got it. Hey, you guys make it a blessed day. David DeHaas, Living Waters. We'll see you tomorrow.